Hi there, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you my latest mixed media work on paper, and this is just a little glimpse of how it turned out. So what I'm doing is I'm just using a lot of my jelly prints that I make myself. I use this very heavy paper, it's 140 pounds, and today I'm using this as motivation and a little inspiration. I really like that pink in the upper corner. So I'm just kind of pulling out papers that interest me and colors that really catch my eye. I am thinking about Valentine's Day around the corner, so the pinks and the oranges and yellows are kind of catching my eye these days. So I am going to let you watch for a little bit. I have a hard time talking and working at the same time, and you can just kind of see the choices that I make and how the whole thing turns out. So for this last part, I'm using a piece of deli paper and I am using a Sharpie. It's a Sharpie marker that's like a paint pen. And I just find it nice to have a little bit of a border around my central focus just to draw the eye there a little more. I didn't want it to be too bright. So it is kind of a subtle little round circle around it, but I love using the deli paper because it is translucent to a point and it just kind of gives a little extra accent for that focal point. So I'm just using the satin medium. I do have to be ginger as I put it down because it is a circular shape, so it does kind of get distorted as you push it down. You just want to make sure it's completely flat. You can always pull it up and put it down again. I usually have to work at it a little bit. It doesn't go down flat right away. But I'm putting the satin medium on top of it and underneath so it stays. And then you can kind of see that little halo of orange around it. I really like that finishing touch it adds. So the last marks I'm doing are using a Posca paint pen. It's my favorite little end mark making tool. And I'm just kind of bringing in that light with the white and just some extra little symbols and marks. It's my favorite part of the process, just kind of adding a little of my own personality into it at the end and bringing it all together. If you don't have any paint pens, I encourage you to try a few out. There's a lot of different brands. Posca makes them, Sharpie makes them, Artex has a nice one, and it's a great way to finish a piece. So here we are. This is the finished product. You can see all the juicy details up close. It's been so much fun making this with you today. I hope you enjoyed following along. Thanks so much for being here. If you like this video, I'm going to put another one just like it right here.